Hey guys, this is a screencast of an example for problem 1 in your week 10 MyStatsLab homework. And in this problem, a developer wants to know if the houses in two neighborhoods were built at basically the same time. So a random sample is collected and the summary statistics are shown here. Neighborhood 1, we have a sample of 35, a mean of 59.1 and a sample standard deviation of 8.03. Neighborhood 2 had a sample of 45 with a mean of 48.3 years, and the standard deviation, the sample, is 8.12. So in this problem, the first question, part A, asks you to find the estimated mean difference between the two neighborhoods. So this is just the difference between the two means. So I know my formula here is just B5 minus D5, and we find that the mean difference between the two neighborhoods is 10.8. For part B of this problem, we are asked to find the standard error of the estimated mean difference. And for this, we need a little bit more difficult formula. The formula is on page 379 of your text, and I'll click on it now, and you'll see that what we have to do is find the square root of the standard deviation squared divided by n plus the standard deviation of neighborhood 2 squared divided by that n. And you'll see here the formula that I put in to let this do the calculating for me. Square root of B6, and you see how you write squared there, divided by B4 plus D6, again squared, divided by D4. Let the Excel program do the work for us, and we come out with the standard error of the estimated mean difference to be 1.82. So that leads us to the last part of this question, part C, which asks you to calculate the t-statistic assuming that the true mean difference is 0. Now this formula can be found on page 373 in your text. We'll click on the cell here and we'll see that we're taking B10, which is the estimated mean difference that we found, minus 0 because we are assuming the true mean difference is 0, and we're going to divide that by B14, the standard error that we just calculated, and we come up with our t-statistic to be 5.94. Well, that's problem 1. Not a lot to it, but we did let Excel do the calculations for us, and that's all we have to do to finish that problem. So I hope this helped you out, and we'll see you in the next screencast.